In this video we are going to discuss about A Wrong Man in Workers Paradise part 2. So in the last video we have discussed from point number 1 to 22. Okay, so in this video we are going to continue this story. Okay, so in the last video, how a wrong man had, what kind of attitudes he had, and how he was wasting his precious time before his death. I mean, he spent his earth life in the useless work, and yet after his death, okay, the gates of the heaven opened wide for him, and a aerial messenger will come to take him to the workers paradise in heaven. And he went to the workers paradise, he observed all the things of the workers paradise, and he met a girl, a bustling girl, went every day to the silent torrent. Okay, and she met him, and she asked, why are you standing lazily with an empty hand, she will ask. And he said that I was waiting you to get some work from you, he said. And she'll ask, what kind of work do you like? Okay, so then he said that give me one of your picture, I want to draw something on it. Then she ignored and she went home, and every day used to ask. Finally she agreed to give one of her picture to the man, and the man started painting. He drew line after line, he put color after color. So then when he had completed his work, the girl held up the picture and started at its sides, her eyes puzzled, my dear students. Okay, so when the painter, I mean the wrong man, completed his work, she will look on it. Okay, she looks carefully, and when the person had completed his work, he brows drawn in the sense, point to be noted. Please underline the word, point number 24. Please underline it. Brows drawn. She brows drawn in the sense a person's forehead. Okay, person's forehead drawn means he wiped his forehead after finishing his work. Then the girl will ask, okay, what do they mean, all those lines and colors, what is their purpose? She'll ask. So the man laughed. Nothing, a picture may have no meaning and serve no purpose, he said. Okay, so then the girl went away with her picture. At home, away from prying eyes, she held it in the light. So turned it round and round and scanned the painting from all angles. So she couldn't understand uh, his words actually. He said that when she asked what do they mean, she couldn't understand what they are. He didn't say, he said that it has no meaning and no purpose, it serves no meaning, he said. So then she got confusion, and she went home again. She took that picture, she turned round and round from all the angles, she scanned in the sense she observed very carefully. Okay, and she moved out of her bed, and she lighted a lamp and scanned it again in silence. For the first time in her life, she had seen something that had no meaning and no purpose at all. Okay, so such a kind of things were happened for the first time with her. So when she set out for the torrent in the next day, okay, next day she used to go to the torrent to draw the water. So next day, her hurrying feet were a little less hurried than before, because she was a bustling girl. She used to work very fastly, and she used to, because the author had compared her moving on the road as like the rapid movement of a skilled hand on the strings of a guitar, right? Yes or no? So here please note this point. When she set out for the torrent the next day, means when she went to draw the water next day, her hurrying feet were a little less hurried than before. Means she got quite slow. Okay, her activeness had decreased. She had no active at that moment. Okay, so hurrying feet in the sense quite lazy. She was in other mood in the sense she was thinking what it was, why he said like that. Okay, she was thinking. Okay, and for a new sense seemed to have awakened in her, a new kind of sense, new kind of thought, new kind of things were awakened in her, a sense that seemed to have no meaning and no purpose at all. Okay, for a needless and useless things she started to think of. Okay, so she saw the painter standing by the torrent and asked in confusion. Okay, she asked him, why, what is the meaning of that painting, why you have drawn like that? Again he'll say that there is no meaning, no purpose at all. Then what do you want of me? The girl will ask to that man that, what do you want of me, what do you want from me? She asked. Again the man replied that, only some more work from your hands, I want some more work from you, can you give me? He asked, what kind of work would you like? Again she'll ask, what kind of work may I give to you? Then let me make a colored ribbon for your hair, he answered. When she asked, what kind of work would you like to do? Then he said that, let me make a colored ribbon for your hairs, he said. Okay, and for what? Why do you want to make it? Then he said nothing. Again the same answer. No purpose, no meaning at all. Okay. The ribbons were made bright with colors. The busy girl of workers' paradise had now to. She started to spend lot of time every day tying the colored ribbon around her hair. Now she started to spend her time with the wrong man. The minutes slipped out. Okay, the minute slipped by unutilized. Okay, unknowingly she started to spend her lot of time with the man, so her much of work was left unfinished. Okay, lot of work left unfinished. Okay, so in workers' paradise, the work had of late begun to suffer. Many persons who had been active before were now idle. Okay, so wasting their precious time on useless things such as painting and sculpture. Okay, they started to waste their time in the painting and sculpture. They followed her, they started to follow that wrong man. So completely the work had begun to suffer in the workers' paradise. It had come to the knowledge of elders of the workers' paradise. So they became very anxious. The elders of the workers' paradise became anxious. A meeting was called immediately, so all agreed actually. Okay, though the people of the men of the workers paradise agreed. Yes, why, what is the reason why the work had begun to suffer? They agreed that such a state of affairs had so far been unknown in the history of workers paradise. They agreed. Why, what is the reason? So the aerial messenger who brought the wrong man into the workers paradise, he came hurriedly into the meeting and bowed his head before the elders of the workers paradise, and he confessed the truth actually. Okay, he confessed the truth. He said, I brought a wrong man into this paradise. He said, it's all due to him. Okay, the work had begun to suffer only because of this wrong man. I had committed a mistake. Okay, I made a mistake. The man was summoned. Okay, then the elders of the workers paradise asked the aerial messenger to admit him. Okay, then the aerial messenger called the wrong man. He came, and as he came, the elders saw his fantastic dress. So his dress was completely different from the workers paradise men. Okay, so his quaint brushes, his paints, and everything, when they observed, and they knew at once that he was not the right person for the workers paradise. So okay, the right sort for the workers, sort in the sense, a kind or type of workers paradise. He is not a fit, he is not fit to become a member of the workers paradise, they decided. Okay, and the president of the workers paradise said very stiffly, the president said, this is no place for the like of you. This is not a suitable place such as you, he said. So you must leave. Get out from here, he said, the president of the workers' paradise. Please, please. No, he didn't request. He ordered, you must leave. Get out, he said. And the man sighed in relief and gathered up all his brush and paints. But as he was about to go, when he got ready to go out from the workers' paradise, the girl of the silent torrent came up, tripping and crying, tripping and cried. Okay, she came very fastly, crying. She came, wait a moment, don't go, wait a moment, I shall come with you, even I will come with you, don't go, she said. And she got ready to go with the wrong man from the workers paradise. So both of them, they went out from the workers paradise. Then the elders gasped in surprise. They got shocked actually. So never before had a thing like this happened in the workers' paradise. A thing that had no meaning and no purpose at all. Such a kind of things had occurred for the first time in the workers' paradise. So people got surprised, they got shocked actually, the elders of the workers' paradise. So for the first time in the history of workers' paradise, things had occurred without any meaning, without any purpose. Okay, so that's all about the story, my dear students. So a wrong man in workers paradise, how he had entered, what kind of attitudes he had, how he had spent his time, and what kind of things he was doing before his death. After his death, he went to the workers paradise, and he came to know all the schemes of the workers paradise. And next he will meet the bustling girl, and she will ask him to give some work. He asked one of her picture, and she ignored, and finally she gave, and he drew some pictures on it. And then she will ask, what does it mean? Then he laughed and he said, nothing. Okay, no meaning, no purpose at all, he said. The girl, she couldn't understand. Again next day she'll come to him, she'll ask, that what do you want from me? Again he said that I want some more work from you, and I shall make some colored ribbons for your hairs, he said. And he'll prepared a colored ribbon, and the girl started to spend all her time with him. And finally the elders of the workers paradise came to know that why the work had begun to suffer. They immediately, they'll call the meeting, and they inquired the aerial messenger, and he said that, I have brought a wrong man into this workers paradise. So all these mistakes had occurred only because of this fellow, he said. And the elders decided to send him out from the workers paradise. And the girl also went with went out from the workers paradise with the wrong man. And the elders of the workers paradise stood surprisingly. For the first time, the different kind of things were had happened in the workers paradise, without any meaning and without any purpose. Okay, I hope you understood this story. If you have any doubts, please note down your doubts, that we can, if you note down your doubts, we can discuss in the doubt session, in the next doubt session. Okay, so please note down your doubts, and once you read this lesson completely, page to page, line to line, and note down the hard words, make dictionary work also, so that you can improve your vocabulary skill also. Okay, so dear students, if you like this video, please like and share this video as much as you possible, and please give your comments in the comment box. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye.